Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download videos from your DJI Mavic Mini. So first of all, let's quickly record this simple video. Next, when you finish, you have to click on this gallery button. As you can see right here, you can find all records, and if you want to save any of them, you can just simply click on this little download button in the left upper corner of each video, but you can also open this video and click right here. As you can see, that's the download button, and after a few moments we can find this video on our device. So right now when you open saved and especially videos, it will appear right here. So we can, for example, delete, share or add to the favorites. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.